to the Chairman of the Commission of Elections, Honorable George Erwin Garcia, Honorable Ray Bulay, Honorable Amy Ferolino, Honorable Nelson Celis, Honorable Ernesto Maceda Jr., Honorable Marta Tangaño Kasingal, Honorable Nolly Pipo, sa lahat po ng nandito ngayong hapon, sa ating mga minamahal na kababayan, I stand here incredibly honored and humbled by this opportunity. I'm grateful to God that we had a peaceful elections with a very good result. And today, with all humility, tinatanggap ko po ang responsibilidad na ito at karangalan na ito. And I promise that I will work twice as hard, that I will stand twice as firm, and that I will serve with all my heart and exhibit leadership, because leadership is about showing up, standing up when it's easier to play it safe, and speaking out when it's more convenient to stay silent. I am overwhelmed by this moment because this journey hasn't been easy, and my heart is simply filled with love and gratitude. Again, I would like to thank God, everyone who supported and was part of my campaign, to everyone who pulled me through this, to my fellow candidates and my fellow senators. You are all an inspiration to me, and thank you for encouraging me. Sa lahat po ng nag-volunteer at kasama ko nung kampanya, maraming salamat. And to my family, to my husband, Erwin, to my kids, Tristan and Cara, thank you for being with me through the highs and lows. To my brothers, Paolo and Mark, thank you for guiding me and bringing me home. And above all, to my parents, to my mom, Senator Cynthia, and to my dad, Senator Manny Villar. Papa, I remember I told you when I was younger that it was my dream to be like you and to serve and to help as many people as I could. And thank you for helping me achieve my dreams and making my dreams come true. And higit sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan na tumulong po sa akin at nagbigay ng tiwala at suporta, maraming salamat po. Iingatan ko po ang inyong tiwala at suporta at makakaasa po kayo na magtatrabaho po ako para yung mga pangarap natin para sa sarili natin, sa ating mga mahal sa buhay, sa ating pamilya, at para sa ating bansa ay makakamit natin ng sama-sama. Muli, maraming salamat at mabuhay po kayong lahat at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, Senator Villar.